Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce my teaching assistant Rory Guthrie, who will introduce you to 15 males and 15 females, each representing the 15 hair colors or HC in plot jargon.
Thank you for that introduction, Professor Cringeworthy. I am Rory Guthrie and I am an HC1 female. Before we begin, you might want to know how many hair colors, or HC, there are in Plortagon. There are 15 different hair colors in Plortagon. We will introduce you to the males, and then the females.
Hi, I'm an HC1 male.
And I am an HC2 male. I'm a HC3 male. I'm an HC4 male. I'm an HC5 male. I'm an HC6 male. I'm an HC7 male. And I'm an HC8 male.
I'm an HC9 male. Desired by all females.
Really? I'm an HC10 male.
I'm an HC11 male. Yes, I'm an HC12 male. And I'm an HC13 male. I'm an HC14 male. I'm an HC15 male.
Hi. I'm an HC1 female.
Hi. I'm an HC2 female.
Hi. I'm an HC3 female.
And I'm an HC4 female.
Hi. I'm an HC5 female.
Hi. I'm an HC6 female.
Hi. I'm an HC7 female.
Hi. I'm an HC8 female.
And I'm an HC9 female.
I'm an HC10 female.
Hi. I'm an HC11 female.
I'm an HC12 female.
And I'm an HC13 female.
Hi. I am an HC14 female.
Hi. I'm an HC15 female.
Hey! What the squawk are you eating there?
KFC, you want some?
Dude, that is just so wrong.